Well, hi, and welcome back to the channel. So this particular weekend was the first weekend of the year, January the 1st. We took about a 1.5 hour drive south of Sydney, got up really early, about 2:45 in the morning, and drove our way down to this little area here called Cathedral Rocks. Great little spot, lots of things to shoot, and we got a very unexpected colour bomb. Let's go check it out. Good morning and welcome to Cathedral Rocks. Today is the very first day of 2021. My goodness, look at that. Hopefully this is a sign that it's going to be a good year. What I've done, very simple composition. We've got some really nice cloud patterns in the sky. The whole sky is just on fire at the moment. I hope you can hear me. It's a little bit windy. I didn't have time to put the microphone on properly. I've already taken one shot from across the other side to show Cathedral Rock from the side profile. So I'm going to put that up right now. Have a look at this one. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is put this one up here, just showing the actual stack itself, just on its own, with some color behind it. Right now I'm at 10 seconds with just a graduated filter on the front of the lens. This is amazing. We're going to move fast because it's all going to go very quickly. Check this one out. Okay, now, so this shot, you may have seen this in my best of 2020 shot. This was shot in January last year, and I can't believe we're back here in January of this year, and we've got an amazing sky. This is just absolutely beautiful. So once again, I'm still at about 10 seconds. I'm being very, a little bit rushed here because this sky is about to go, and I need to get this shot in the bag. Yeah, that is amazing. Amazing. It's isn't it great when a plan comes together? So this shot before, I think I explained in my last video that a year ago we had terrible bushfires in Australia, and we had some very pinky skies that was caused by the smoke from the bushfires being backlit by the sun. This morning, it's au natural, it's as it comes. And so what I've done is I've just taken a shot of the rock itself with the sky behind it. And then what I'm just going to do, just to make sure, is I'm just going to capture a shot of the foreground of this channel here, just to make sure that we have it pin sharp. So let's just get that in focus. Actually, I might add that what I've done is I've put my camera tripod on the rock, not the sand. so that if a wave comes in and moves the sand around, it's not moving the tripod with it, it's actually on bedrock, so it's pretty stable. Okay, let's check out this shot. What an incredible place, Cathedral Rocks, about an hour and 40 minutes south of Sydney. I've shot here a few times, but you just got to be here real early. I mean, this colour actually started going off when we were still 15 minutes out, and we got here at 5 o'clock this morning. Sunrise just after 5:45, just crazy. Anyway, what a start to the year, incredible. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video, just a quick one this morning, but if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, lots more coming your way from this, from the channel, got lots more content. We'll see you in the next one. We're off for coffee now. Cheers.